Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to get a link to your WhatsApp on iPhone. Please watch the video till the end. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp with you. Next, we open any chat room. And unfortunately, I want to say right away that you will not be able to find a link in WhatsApp to your account. Unfortunately, there is no such function. But what we can do is we go to any chat. I've already got a link here. I'll show you how to do it. You write no, then a, then a period. Then you write nummy. And then a slash like this. After that, write your number, your valid phone number. Be sure to write in your country the first valid digit. Right after that, press send. Now you click on this link and you are automatically redirected to your account. Now you share this link with a person. That is, you click on it. Click copy. Send, and when the person clicks on your link, it automatically goes straight to your WhatsApp account. It's as simple as that. You can do it on any device. If you liked it and this video helped you, you can subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.